Hello. So I am going to show you in this video how to do something called conditional formatting. Kind of think of it like color by number, if you guys remember those coloring books from when you were a kid. So right here I have some numbers 1 through 6, and I have colors red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet. And I'm going to select this range by clicking and dragging my cursor. So 1 through 6. I'm going to go to Format, Conditional Formatting. And then it says apply to range A2 to A7. Well, that's why I selected, so that's what I want. And I'm going to format the colors of these cells based on the numbers that are in the cells. So it's asking me for rules. And so I'm going to add multiple rules. My first rule, I'm going to say, here's the condition. It says, right now it says is not empty. I don't want that. I want text is exactly 1. And I'm just going to go by my color key. I'm going to select red. All right, so now that I selected red, you see that one with the cell with a 1 in it says red. So it will turn red. I'm sorry. So I'm gonna click done, add another rule. And now I'm gonna say, go to the same option, text is exactly 2. And now I'm gonna select my color orange. So this is the condition. If the text is 2, the formatting is going to change based on what number I have in here. So that's what this rule is saying, that in this range, if I have a cell, any cell that has the number 2 in it and exactly 2, that cell will be orange. If it has 1, it's going to be red. And then I click done. So I have red, orange, I'm add another rule. So I'm going to go to text is exactly, now I'm going to say 3. And I'm going to say yellow. So I'm just going to pause my recording right here. I'm going to do the other 3 colors real quick. So I changed my conditional formatting. Let's go back. Let me select this range here. So now you can see if text is 1, my formatting will be red, 2, orange, 3, yellow, and all the way down to green, blue, and violet. I'm going to go ahead and close that to show you that even after I have that menu closed, the colors will change based on the number. For example, if I change the number 1 to the number 6, it's going to turn purple because that's the rules I gave it. 5 goes to blue, 4 goes to green, 3 yellow, 2 orange, 1 red. And I know that's confusing because I still have these words right here, but you can just ignore those words. Again, these, if I do all ones, it's going to be all red. If I do all twos, it's going to automatically turn to all orange. So that is how you do conditional formatting. If you need to watch this a few times to get it, to see what options you need to pick, go ahead. You are going to use this. If you chose this activity, you're going to use this method basically just to do something fun. I want you to use these cells, and you can change the sizes of the cells too if you want. So I can make them really narrow, really wide, make them, let's see, can I do it? Oh, no. Yeah, I can make them really tall, make them really narrow. So you're basically gonna make a color by number activity. And so more instructions to follow, just make sure read what's on the spreadsheet. Thanks for watching.